So the function given is f of x equal to minus 2x cube minus 9x square minus 12x plus 1. So find the derivative. F dash x equal to minus 6x square minus 9 to 18x minus 12. So if I take a negative 6 outside, the balance is x square plus 3x plus 2. When factorizing this term, what we will get? We have to get sum as 3 and product as 2. Which are the numbers? 2 and 1. So we can factorize x square plus 3x plus 2 as x plus 2 into x plus 1. Okay. So equate f dash x to 0. This implies minus 6 into x plus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 6 cannot take the value 0. So we have to equate x plus 2 equal to 0, which implies x equal to minus 2. And when x plus 1 equal to 0, we are getting x as minus 1. So when arranged in the ascending order minus 2 and infinity, which is ascending order, the least value of minus infinity and minus 1 is minus 2 and minus 1 is minus 2 itself. So here it is minus infinity, here minus 2, here minus 1 and infinity. So which are the intervals? The intervals are, one interval is minus infinity minus 2. The next one is minus 2 minus 1 and the third one is minus 1 infinity. So we have to check in all these intervals. So we will draw the table. So here we will write interval. In the second one we will write nature of f dash x, sign of f dash x. F dash x equal to minus 6 into x plus 2 into x plus 1. And in the third one we will write nature. Okay, the intervals are minus infinity minus 2. The second interval is minus 2 minus 1 and the third interval is minus 1 infinity. So take a point in between this interval minus infinity and minus 2. Can you say a point in between minus 2, minus infinity and minus 2? We can take a number less than minus 2, which is minus 3. We can take any number. We will take a smaller number nearer to minus 2. So minus 3. When we put negative 3 here, negative 6 already negative. When we put negative 3 in the first bracket, minus 3 plus 2, it is negative. So again negative. Again if I put here negative 3 plus 1, again negative. So negative into negative gives you negative. Okay. Again take the next interval. Next interval we got as minus 2 minus 1. So can you say a number in between minus 2 and minus 1? We can take it as minus 1.5. Okay. So if I put the value of minus 1.5 here, negative 6 is already negative. Minus 1.5 plus 2, we know that 2 is a number greater than minus 1.5, so it is positive. Okay, and again if I put here minus 1.5 plus 1, negative 1.5 plus 1. So we have to subtract 1.5 and 1 and put the sign of the greater number, which is 1.5. So here we are getting negative. I will clear it once again. The second bracket is minus 1.5 plus 1. So that one is negative and the second one is positive. So what we will do, we will subtract 1.5 and 1. So we are getting 0.5. And we have to put the sign of the greater number. So it is negative. That is how we are getting negative. Okay, so positive and 2 negatives together gives you positive. And for the third one, minus 1 infinity, can you say a number in between minus 1 and infinity? We can take the number as 0. Okay, so if I put the value of 0 in minus 6, it's already negative. Now change. If I put in x plus 2, it is positive, and if I put in x plus 1, it is again positive. So negative into negative is negative itself. Since here f dash x is negative, the nature is strictly decreasing. And in the second interval, as it is positive, it is strictly increasing. And in the third case also it is negative, so it is strictly decreasing. So the interval in which the function is strictly increasing is minus 2 minus 1, and the intervals in which it is strictly decreasing is minus infinity minus 2 and also minus 1 infinity.